Hello ITBS Media family. Welcome to the series on Linux for cybersecurity. We have done the introduction. We have also talked about Linux distributions. And in this particular episode, I'll be leading the practical section of installing Oracle VirtualBox. That will be the container on which we build our virtual machine. So if you're in Windows environment and you want to install Linux, remember two operating systems you cannot install one operating system on another. So what we can do is to create a bridge on which the Linux will sit. So we have the Windows operating system on our device if you are running Windows, and then you have the hypervisor, which is the Oracle VirtualBox. Another hypervisor you can use is the VMware. So now we have chosen to use Oracle VirtualBox. Is free, and just go to the appropriate or the official website. So let's go to the website. All right, this is the official website and is www.virtualbox.org/wiki wiki/downloads. So once you get to this page, if you are using Windows, you select Windows in the left box here under VirtualBox platform packages. So you select the appropriate operating system that is on your device. It's been customized for the various operating systems that are available here. Okay, so once you do that, click on it. It will download to your computer. Then you go into your download folder and right click on it and run it as administrator. Run as administrator. So once you do that, we should see something like this. Once you click run as administrator, this will be the first page. You say welcome to Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.10 setup. That's if you download it now. So this is the latest version. And once you click on next, so you see the end user license agreement. By default, it comes with I do not accept the terms in the license agreement. So you change it and click on I accept. So once you click I accept, and the next button is grayed out now, but if you click I accept, then you'll be able to proceed with the installation. So you click on next. So let's move on. once you accept and you get to the next phase, we now go to, if you show you this page, that's the custom setup. And with the custom setup, you don't need to do anything here except you're an expert and you want to customize it. So that's why you have custom setup. Select the way you want features to be installed. But for beginners, I will say just click next, and it will show you location where the VirtualBox will be installed. Okay, so once you click next, you should receive a warning. It will say warning, network interface. Installing the Oracle VirtualBox 7.1 networking features will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. And that is because the VirtualBox itself will be able to connect to the internet. It's because it's a bridge, so it must have a network protocol with which it will be able to communicate with the host. And when you start creating virtual machine inside the VirtualBox, it should be able to connect your virtual machine to the host, and from there it can then route the traffic to the public internet. Alright, so once you receive this, click yes, just accept it, and the next thing is it will show you dependencies. Here also just say yes. Install the Oracle VirtualBox 7. Python bindings requires the Python core package and the Windows 32 web binding to be installed first. So say yes. If you don't say yes, if you say no, then that means you want to install it manually, but just go ahead and accept it. So from there, it will show you the features that will be installed. Say just accept, because that's how it will come by default. There's no need to change it. And once you have accepted that, you click next. It is ready now to install. So you click on install and it will install. You wait for it to complete the installation, and this will be the last phase before it brings up your Oracle VirtualBox for you. And now once you click finish, you will see this. And you can see here it welcomes you to the VirtualBox. And here, this is important, it says basic mode, expert mode. Do you want to select basic mode? And you have the definition of both here. So the basic mode is for beginners. The expert mode includes many features that are not present in the basic mode, but it is strongly advisable for beginners to select basic. You can always upgrade it to expert mode, and you can read it right there. So, and once that is done, you are ready to start creating your virtual machines. Once you click on basic or expert mode, the green plus sign here is your first tool to create a machine. So, and once you do that, once you accept, here you go, you say welcome to VirtualBox. So now you're fully ready. You can go to file to machine, and you have a drop down, you see new, or you can click on new here or add, and you will be able to work. I think I'll just stop here. Then in our next video we will install our first virtual machine. So your virtual machine is actually a new computer that you are building. So this Oracle VirtualBox is like the hardware, though it is a software, but it's acting like the hardware that sits on your computer. On that hardware you build your machine, the virtual machine. So it's called an hypervisor. So it serves as a bridge between your physical device and the new software computer you are building. So that is how far we go in this third lesson on Linux for cybersecurity professionals. And don't forget, this series is for those who are planning a career change into either information technology or into cybersecurity. Also, for those who have been in there and need to brush up on what they know about Linux, or those who actually are using Linux and need more detail into maximizing the resources that Linux provide for either running normal computer or for cybersecurity purpose. So I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like the video, put your comments or question in the comment section. Remember to share the video, subscribe if you have not. Thank you.